Hey guys, so I want to show you how to use Streamlabs. Not necessarily Streamlabs, the actual program here, but Streamlabs controller, because with like OBS and other things, you need a Stream Deck, to control everything. Well, with Streamlabs, you can use your phone. They have a built-in app. So after you've installed your program, got it all set up, you can install Streamlabs controller, which is pretty cool. So while you've got your phone sitting on your desk on a stand or whatever, you can use it to switch between your different things. Like right now, you can see we're on live. That's what's highlighted. But using this, you can switch to be right back, your intermission, where you've got, or way I have it set up, you've got your webcam and you've got your chat. But you can set that up. You can set it to starting soon if you're not ready to for everything just yet. You can set it to ending soon. You can go through and you can set up, you can turn off your webcam frame, your webcam. You can turn off your game. I've got display capture set up, doing the screen recording. You can turn off your mic, webcam. I mean, you have complete control. You can do whatever you want to do with it. You can hit your button to go live, end your recording, save replays, just whatever you need to do. You can even go in, if you're streaming, you can even go in and you can view your chat through the app if you want to, which is pretty cool. But I mean, it's really as simple as that. All you do is download the app. It's free. There's nothing else to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.